What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Yo, who's doing it? I'ma finish. Welcome to today's video. Not much to explain.
That's a gunshot.
When he puts on the Tomei, much lighter.
He doesn't have a Tomei on it?
No, he has like a normal exhaust. So we're installing, if you guys didn't already know, we're installing a Tomei onto that car, subscriber's car.
I like that.
Sounds really good though, right? You're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah, go up. Oh! Yeah, I got nothing. That's so bad. No one can come up my driveway anymore. Okay, so my friends and I have this ongoing meme of we don't do halogen bulbs anymore. Everything's about LED. My friend Jeff right now is on his way to install his new LEDs. And I told him I had a surprise for him. And inside this box of LEDs, we got 2 old halogen bulbs from like 1992. It's gonna be funny. Jeff, I got a surprise for you.
Why?
I'm gonna show you when we get him up there, but I got a surprise for you. Hey, Jeff, I need you to pay attention, bro. I know you're into LEDs now.
What is this?
I got you this.
Is that the high beam?
I got you.
You're lying. Wait, what is this?
Just open it, just open it, just open it.
That's a halogen,
Dude,
bro.
if there aren't more replica halogens in there,
Dude, that's a fluorescent light bulb.
Dude, this is a candlestick, bro. Also,
Is that the high beam? Ah, you fuck. Bro, this is exactly what I've been looking for.
dude, this is what I had on the computer screen last to do the replacement. This is funny, dude. Thank you, Danny. You shouldn't have. You
problem, that guy should do.
You really shouldn't have, bro.
Guys, this is what we're putting in Jeff's car.
Dun, 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 dun. Go slow, go slow, go slow. All right, you're good, there you go. You passed the bad part. Now it's just straight up. You coming straight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. What type of...
Support small business,
You have to, bro.
Alright guys, so here we have Chris.
What it do? What it do?
Chris is a subscriber and he literally has everything about Brittany. He got the front bumper, got the rear bumper, and he got the Tomei. And the hood. Dude, you literally have Brittany 2.0.
Brittany 2.0.
It's huge, right? The tip?
Dude, like a rocket launcher, man.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the white pipe on his car, the Tomei on his car, and then get an after video. It sounded pretty good though, with your current exhaust, which you have like the just like kind of like short tips or short tails.
It's like a muffler delete. With
Yeah, muffler delete.
White pipe.
Stock white pipe and then
Test
test pipes. Yeah. Who's it tuned by the way? No idea.
I got it like that.
Yeah, sounds good though.
Oh, what the?
Right? It's so
Super
freaking light. Yeah.
To be a car part.
Titanium.
Dude, this is like size of my head.
All right, so we just got off the. So we're here. The white pipe. We almost had a slight issue with these 2 bolts, but everything's good. Now we're gonna go ahead. This pipe right here.
We could take this out completely, and then if it doesn't fit,
Just separate it outside.
just separate it
Okay, that's fine then. All right, cool. So you just gotta, you see that hanger in the middle?
Yeah, yeah.
You just gotta pull that out. Might be a little hard.
From the car or from the exhaust?
Whatever's easier. Probably from the exhaust. So you would have to pull this way. Yeah. And I'll get these up here. All right, not gonna film this. Pretty easy. Hanger's actually super annoying. So hopefully we have good luck. I had good luck yesterday, so we'll see.
Yes, let's get over here.
That might fit inside the car. What do you think?
Yeah. Between me.
So old exhaust is out. Now Tomei's going back in. Oh, and we gotta take this thing off. We decided just to unbolt the hangers because they were pretty annoying. So we'll do this outside. And this hanger we don't need because the Tomei does sit on the left side. So is this side missing any or no?
No, that side's good.
No, it's good. So he was looking at the test pipes and he was missing 1 bolt. And then the top side of that bolt, or he was missing a nut, but the top side of the bolt's like completely shaped off. So that's not great. Water brake. Featuring Tomei. Dude, I love how Tome's look on the base model bumper. I believe this is like the best bumper if you're gonna go for a Tome. It looks good on the Nismo as well, but cause see how it sticks out? On the Nismo's like kind of just even. Here it like sticks out a little bit.
It's a Tome, dude.
Dude, you kind of look like Fresh Kicks.
Fresh Kicks?
Nice.
Nice, bro.
Congrats. Now you're part of the Tome gang. I'm part of the nothing gang. I don't really hear a leak. Wait, do that again. I don't hear a leak.
Nope, not anymore.
No. We actually managed to get it in. Dude, just be completely safe because one bad move and you're gonna be driving just so there's just a pipe. Yeah. Oh, look at this white pipe. He's showing me that like the little flexors. He's completely gone. Yeah, dude, look how small he's over there. I don't even think I showed it. So the bumper that he a little accident happened there again. There's actually my bumper. He actually fixed it up and everything. So that's super dope, dude. Nice.
He's in the Z
In the family, yeah. On camera, but he just banged his head against the H pipe, the notorious H pipe. Oh, that's a fat one. I feel it in my seat, dude. I feel it inside.
You know the flames back there must be massive.
Dude, insane. That's retarded, bro.
I gotta turn it off. That's heat up.
They're mad. All right, I really want to hear this car from the outside, and I want to compare it to my. I think his is loud. His might be louder. Oh my god! Those flames were stupid, bro. Oh my god! We created a monster! Dude! I think that's louder than mine. Dude! Yo! Do you want to hear it from the outside?
I've actually never heard it from the outside.
Dude.
Yo, we created a monster.
Good shit.
Dude, at night the flames must
Insane.
Dude, I just seen it. I just seen it.
I know.
Yo.
Dude, that's so dope. Wow, that's freaking awesome. That sounds insane. Oh my gosh.
Yo, my ears.
Right? I felt it inside of me.
They're ringing.
That was bad. It's time for another car fart.
Peace out, Z fam.
Peace out. Dude, that looks so good. Let's go. Dude, we created a monster, bro. Keep it clean.
Godzilla.
Mini Godzilla. All right, so yeah, be safe. See ya. Dude. Ah, the Tome's gone. Goodbye, old friend. Dude, that thing was insane, bro.